Yeah.
So my husband changed the way the enclosure because we had a accident, right?
Yes. Whoever thought a bubbler could create so much havoc?
So the waterfalls or the fish was here. So my husband moved it to that side over there, which is so much better. We lost one goldfish, but we saved everything else.
I feel blessed it worked out the way it did.
Mm-hmm.
Could have been so much worse.
And this is, they're staggering. Ming, that's Ming right there. Jinx. What a look, Ming. Alright, tell us about your hide.
Alright, I made another mound like this one. This one just has one actual whole hide, one tunnel that I made. They've made several. But since we have accumulated more turtles, I want to be able to have visual breaks. So I put a hide on this corner, here, and here. And try to just give them a place to get away from each other. Once they all get tired of each other.
What is that? Like that?
A gargoyle. I don't know, it's something from my childhood. I don't remember him, but he's from my keepsake, so I figured I'd put him in.
So, you like your hide now?
I love this. There's still a few more tweaks that I've got in mind, but oh, I'm just thrilled. This is a childhood dream come true. Yeah.
Is Jinx going to hide because I have camera, and this is our model for now. She's the bully of all. I think she's just a sister that tried to aggravate everybody. Yeah.
She's our baby. She's the fearless one.
And then my husband had them a really nice arrangement with the dinosaurs. So there's two hides in here, one on the side and on the front.
I just noticed this side's a little low. Good water in it.
This is where the turtle can go swimming. And we have a small waterfall that way the side like kind of recycle.
Recycle water, keep the oxygen in, keep it clean.
Yeah. Fish, all we have in here is daddies. And the water is kind of cloudy because we just started this. And my husband put the food right here for the turtle. And then the water, but the turtle like to swim. And then we have dinosaurs. So sorry it's a mess, but you know, turtle destroyed the, no matter how much you clean. And Ming thinks that you have food, but I don't have food, Ming. You had to eat. No,
there's plenty of food in there.
Look at that. What is that?
A beetle. No, I'm not eating it.
I'm not eating that. Oh, you're following Daddy, but Daddy don't have any food. Sorry. Yes.